Dear friends, today we'll discuss exercise 3.1 question number 3. Match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2, right? This is column 1 and this is column 2. You have to match each item. First one is 35. We can write first the multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 can be written. Here we are writing the multiple of 7. Multiple of 7, right? That is 7 into 1, 1 is equal to 7, 7 into 2 is equal to 14, 7 into 3, 7 into 3 is equal to 21, 7 into 4, 4 7 is 28, and 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Here you see the number 35, that means this 35 is the multiple of 7. Therefore, the answer is 35. A will match with B. I can write as 1. Therefore, multiple of 7 means 35. Right? Now the question is 15. Right? If you find the factor of 30, let us take the factor of 30. Factor of 30. Factor of 30 can be written as 1 into 30 is equal to 30. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Therefore, we are finding that the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 15 and 30. Therefore, 13 we can say that 15 is the factor of 30. Therefore, question number 2 is 15 is the factor of 30. Right? This is D, that means 2. This is 2. Right? Now 16. Here 16 means 8 to the 16. Therefore, multiple of 8. Right? Here is 16. It is multiple of 8. This is question number 3. 1, 2, 3. This is question number 3. Right? Next question is 20. 20, you see, if you write the factor of 20, factor of 20, factor of 20, that is 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Right? Therefore, you can say that 20 is the factor of 20. Therefore, 20 is the factor of 20. Right? That is 4. Right? And the next one is 25. You see, this is 25. If you find the factor of 50, let us take factor of 50. Factor of 50. That is 1 into 50 is equal to 50. 2 into 25 is equal to 50. Therefore, factors of 50 are 1, 2, 25 and 50. Therefore, we can say that 25 is the factor of 50. Right? This is 5. This is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 3.1. Again we are repeating. Here you see the number is 35. If we find the multiple of 7, therefore we are getting multiple of 7 is 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4, 7 into 5, 35. Therefore the 35 is the multiple of 7, right? Number 2 is 15. 15 is a factor of 30. Here you see factor of 30 is 1 into 30 is equal to 30, 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Therefore 15 is the factor of 30. Number 3 is 16. Okay. Multiple of 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 is 16. Therefore 16 is the multiple of 8. Next one is 20. If we find the factor of 20, then 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Therefore we can say that here we find that factor of 20. You see here, that is factor of 20. This is the factor of 20, that is 1 into 20, right? The factor of 20. Therefore we are getting that 20 is the factor of 20. And 25, if we find the 25, the factor of 50, if we take factor of 50, then 1 into 50 is 50 and 2 into 25 equal to 50. Therefore factors of 1, 2, 25 and 50. Therefore 25 is the factor of 50. This is the solution of question number 5. Now here this is 5, right? And multiple of 7, this is 1, obviously 1. This is 1. And factor of 30, that is 2. This is 2. This is 2, right? And 16, that is multiple of 8, 8 is 16. 20 is the factor of 20 and 25 is the factor of 50, right? This is the solution of question number 3, exercise 3.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.